Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming the essentials so the fix proceeds smoothly. Sign into Appleid. Apple. Com or settings to verify your Apple ID and look for security notices. Once done, make sure device time and date match network time and you're on a stable Wi-Fi or cellular link. Mismatched time often blocks authentication. Keep your two-factor device or trusted phone number nearby because Apple will send verification codes. This step prevents avoidable errors when you attempt account recovery or sign in resets. Next, you execute the recovery sequence. Go to iForget. Apple. Com and enter the Apple ID to request a password reset or start account recovery. Follow the verification prompts and input the 2FA code when prompted. Once your password changes, sign out of the App Store in Settings, restart the device to clear cached sessions, then sign back in with the new credentials. Make sure purchased apps and active subscriptions list the same Apple ID so you won't lose access after switching. To finish, you synchronize and resolve lingering blocks. Update iOS to the latest version because system updates can remove account glitches. Then go to Settings App Store and verify purchases and payment methods. If the disabled message remains, contact Apple support and provide your device serial and proof of purchase. They can lift restrictions tied to security or billing. As a last resort, back up your device, erase it, and restore from iCloud or iTunes. This often clears persistent account flags.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.